How we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Going to go over a couple of things I picked up from last weekend. At a yard sale, I got this little Leatherman Micro for $3. Handy little pair of scissors. At a thrift store I went to, I found this Victorinox kitchen knife. Nice little knife for $2. And then last but not least, I picked up this fixed blade knife in this little leather sheath. The sheath is pretty rough shape. But this little leather handle knife, I'm guessing it's probably from the late 70s, early 80s. I really don't know. I haven't researched it too much yet. But not in too bad a shape. Just going to give it a little quick cleanup. I've wiped a little bit of flitz on here to work as a polishing compound a little bit. And just going to hit it with my Dremel tool here. My hands are kind of messed up, so I can't really hang on to the actual Dremel tool, so I use this shaft on there that gets me a little bit better control, able to get a hold of that a little bit better. Again, it wasn't in too bad a shape, it just needed a little bit clean up, and I didn't want to take any abrasives to the blade, like sandpaper or the Scotch-Brite pads or anything, and the aluminum pommel just needed cleaned up. So it cleaned up pretty nice. There's a little bit of patina still on there. Throwing a little bit of mink oil on the leather here. It helps hydrate and clean. I've used mink oil for years on my boots and belts, leather sheaths. For me, it just seems to work best. A couple quick passes on the old ceramic rod there. And you see the Robeson stamp. It's got a number 7 on the back side. That's about all I know at this point. It appears to be stainless. But that's it. It's a nice little knife. It's a very attractive knife. And I paid up for this. I usually do not have the money to spend, but I paid $30 for this knife. I don't even know if that's a good deal or not, but it was for me because I saw it, I liked it, I wanted it. Another thing I like about this knife is the point on this knife. It's got a nice point on it for that stab and slash, for like opening packages, for food prep, taking the skin off a piece of chicken or whatever. That type of tip and cutting action is just perfect for me. My wife laughs at me when I do this. She says I get my jollies by cutting paper. Well, yeah, I kind of do. There's something about watching a knife do what it's meant to do that's very satisfying. It's a nice, sharp little knife. Very, very nice. And it will go in my camping kit. I'll include this when I do a review. I got the Mora knife and the GPC, whatever is the Ukrainian knife. Here's the leather sheath. It's in pretty rough shape. The knife fits perfectly in here. I don't know if I can fix those blemishes. Maybe some of the leather guys might have some solutions. That, I really don't know what to do about that. I might just replace it with a piece of Velcro for now. I'm not a leather guy. I don't have access to that type of stuff. I think I can just throw a piece of Velcro on that and it'll suffice. But that's not the main thing. The main thing is a knife. The sheath would be nice to have fixed, but that's not a big deal to me. But that's my little Robeson that I just purchased. I absolutely love it. I think it's a gorgeous knife. And I plan to hang on to it for quite a while. So, guys, until I see you again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And first and foremost, have a beautiful day.